Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making some flatbreads. It's so easy to do at home, only need 3 ingredients. Let's get to it. So we're going to start with 300 grams of plain flour. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. We'll quickly mix the salt and the flour together. And then we're going to add 200 millilitres of warm water. And that's all the ingredients we need. So let's give this mixture a good old stir. The consistency will be quite a dry dough, which is what we're looking for. And we'll carry on to sort of kneading it with the spoon for now, just to make sure we get all of the flour that's in the bowl into the mixture. We're now going to put a bit of flour on our very clean work surface. We're going to take our dough and we're going to start kneading it. Be quite rough with it and just use as much strength as you have to give it a good old knead. Do this for about 5 minutes. Once the dough is kneaded, we're going to put it in this container and we're going to cover it with some clear plastic film. I'm going to leave that to sit for about 30 minutes. Okay, so we've taken off the plastic wrap, the dough is ready. Let's get this into 6 individual balls of dough. We'll roll it out and then start cooking. So here's our dough. What we're going to do is just sort of give it a bit of a flatten out, like so. Very spongy, great consistency. That's really good. So we're going to cut it straight down the middle, and then we will cut it into thirds. Haven't got to be too exact, but you'll end up with 6 pieces of dough. We're going to grab one of them and just with your hands roll it into a ball. We'll repeat this for all of them, and there we go. Now I'm going to put a bit of flour down. We'll grab one of the balls, put it onto the flour, and we're just going to roll this out. There we go. So we're heating up the frying pan at the moment. It's a Ninja non-stick frying pan. These are really, really great. And I'm just going to give it a little light spray of vegetable oil. And then we're going to add our flatbread to the frying pan. I'm going to be using my lovely OXO wide spatula. These are brilliant for flatbreads and omelettes and things like that. And after about 30 seconds, we're going to give it a toss. After a while, you'll start seeing some bubbles appear. That's perfectly normal. You'll also see the flatbread rising, and that's fine. Just pat it down. It's just air that's escaping. And we're just going to keep cooking on both sides, flipping them over quite frequently. You don't want to overcook them so they go all hard and crispy, but you also don't want them to be soggy and doughy either. And there we go. We have the perfect flatbread. This is great for curries, dipping, that sort of stuff. You can fill them with some cheese, onions, make a sort of sandwich out of them. So easy to make, so cheap to make. Why not give them a try? If you like the video so far, please hit the like button. Leave any comments down below if you've tried these. And remember to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more of my content. But that's just about ready. We'll transfer that to a plate. And there you go. The perfect flatbread. I really do thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now, guys.